Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm just going to jump straight in with the video today. First I'm starting with my Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm just going to take that and I'm going to rub it all into my face to prep the skin. Next I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 420, and I'm just going to dot that all around my face. I don't want to put too much. I'm just going to blend that into my skin, making sure it's all blended. Next, I'll be taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C12, and I'll be putting that on my nose, my forehead, and my highlight areas. You want to make sure that it's all blended in properly. The worst thing that you can have is unblended makeup. It's not flattering at all. Now I'm going to take the concealer and I'm going to put it on my eyelids just to make sure that transition between the highlighted areas and my eye is seamless. And I'm just going to take a flat brush and just blend it in, and a buffer brush, and just make sure that's all blended out. Now I'm using the Conceal and Define concealer in the shade C16, and I'm using that in all my contour areas and along my nose. I like to do this before using the translucent powder, just because it helps it to blend more seamlessly, and I'm doing this with my kabuki brush. Next I'm going to be blending in the concealer into my nose with a blending brush. Now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder in translucent, and I'm just going to set the concealer on my face in my highlight areas. Now I'll be taking the Kiko Definition eyeliner, and I'll just be applying that to my eye. I want to give a nice cat look, so I'm going to be doing a flick. I'm applying my eyelashes using the hair bonding glue, and you do have to be really careful with this. It's like the grey one with the red lid, that bottle. So I find that it just holds on a lot stronger, so your eyelashes are not going to fall off at any point of the day. To bronze and add a bit of colour to my face, I'll be taking the Collection's Bronze Glow, and I'll just be bronzing my cheeks, my forehead, just by my chin, and I'll be doing that without taking off the translucent powder, just to help it blend. For my blush, I'll be using a blush from MAC in the shade Raisin, and I'm going to apply that above the bronzer on my cheeks. To define the look further, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier powder underneath my cheekbones. Next, I'm just wiping away the excess translucent powder. For my lashes, I'll be using Maybelline's Great Lash in Black is Black. Now to dust off the translucent powder. To set my face, I'll be using Urban Decay's D-Slick Oil Control Setting Spray. And for highlight, MAC's Global Glow. To finish off the look, I'll be using Kiss of Death by Makeup Revolution. In the lip kit, it comes with a liquid lipstick and a lip pencil, which I'll be using to line my lips before adding the liquid lipstick. And this is the finished look. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Let me know what you think, let me know what you want to see. But most importantly, I hope to see you again in my next video. Take care and stay safe.